This truck is loaded. We're leaving California and moving to Tennessee. Why are so many people leaving California? Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. My name is David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. And we are leaving California. Our home is officially for sale. So you're asking yourself, David and Aaron, why are you leaving California? Okay, we're looking at the road to retirement. We've been here over 25 years. We've been in this home that we love a lot. We put a lot of love into it. So in the past 10 years, the cost of living here in California has just skyrocketed. That was another reason for us to start looking in other states to figure out where we're gonna move, where we're gonna live. You know, open up the map, we can go anywhere in the United States and find a place to live. So when we first moved to California, me and Aaron both were in our late 20s, early 30s, and it was a new California, a different style of California. All of that since then has changed drastically. So some of the reasons we are wanting to leave California are: one, cost of living.
The second reason we want to leave is property taxes.
The third reason we want to leave California is a better quality of life.
And the fourth reason to leave California is more cruising.
And number 5 reason we want to leave California is no state income tax. And the 6th reason that we want to leave California is we are on the road to retirement. So the 7th reason we want to leave California is to enjoy life
and make it
more of an adventure. So it's been our first full weekend of viewings, and we've had multiple showings of our property from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And it's now Tuesday. Me and Aaron are ready to relax. We're able to go home a little bit more and stay home with all the multiple viewings. With us working, we were out of the house, but we had to vacate the house for all the different real estate agents and people that viewed our property. So it is official. We are now in escrow after our first weekend, I believe 24 hours, 48 hours. We sold our house. We have accepted an offer that me and Aaron are very thankful for and blessed for. So it is official. We are now officially in escrow, and Aaron is going to do the honors. So let's talk about how aggressive the housing market is right now. So it's been a couple weeks since I picked up the camera. So we have officially made 6 offers on 6 different properties in the past several weeks. And the outcome of those properties have been, thus far, not very positive in our favor. We still don't have a home. We don't know where we're moving. Out of the 6 offers, 2 of them we had to walk away from because of property disclosure issues that me and Aaron did not feel comfortable with. The other remaining offers had multiple offers on the property, and they were overbidding a bid war by $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and even $25,000 over asking price. So if you're leaving California, or if you're buying, you're selling, have patience, be patient, and be prepared to possibly offer over asking price. So the other thing I wanted to talk about, if you're preparing to leave California, you should be aware of moving trucks. We had a big surprise, which we kind of figured there was going to be some problems. So people like these guys behind me and some of the other big name companies, you need to book your truck 45 to 60 days out in advance. An example, just going to Texas, they wanted over $5,000. The problem is, from all the companies that we are learning, is that there's no trucks in California. There are more people leaving California. They do not have enough trucks. They are having to pay people to bring trucks back into the state because of the high number of people that are leaving California. Some other options are get online, research, U-Pack, maybe modular cubes, but getting a rental truck, it's really tough right now, and I didn't want to spend that much money and have to put gas in it and have to drive it. So we're looking at other alternatives, but be prepared. That was another big issue that we came across, and I'm glad that we did our research. So the one good thing about moving is that you get to get rid of stuff, sell stuff, give stuff away, downsize, and get rid of all the clutter so you don't pack it to your next destination. Nice empty shelves. And then we have the house. Just everything's being torn apart. Wrapping up our furniture really tight, really good, so it makes our move to our next destination. Empty closets, and then into the living room. More boxes and boxes and boxes. So even areas like our patio, we've gotten rid of our gas grill. We took our little suns off the wall. We're starting to pack up things. We're using our outside table as our dining room table because we got rid of our dining room table. That awesome, amazing view of the San Jacinto Mountains. But like I said, I don't think it's quite hit me yet. I think moving day when our truck shows up, I was a little emotional the other day, I'm not gonna lie. Once you spend so much time in a house and memories and holidays and all the different events and things that go on, and the love and remodeling and all those fun memories. I mean, we've been in this house for over 10 years, so we have a lot of amazing memories. But like Aaron said, and like I told Aaron, new adventures down the road, brand new adventures. And we are back just like that. So we are finishing packing. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow our truck comes. So we have a lot of odd and end things that we still have to wrap up. Television has to be either boxed up or donated. We're not sure what we're doing with that yet. Decisions. But everything we're doing now is making way for new adventures for tomorrow. I will say one thing though, this home buying and home selling, so much easier when you buy a home. Like if it's your first home, you're coming from an apartment buying a home, or if you're living at your parents' house and then you're moving out buying your first home, so much easier, less stress. But when you have a home that you are selling and then you're also house hunting at the same time and you're trying to make things work where one closes one day and you can close on your other property the next, a lot of work. But like I said at the beginning of the video, patience, and everything will follow through. So we have moved out a lot of the heavier stuff into the hallway, and we still have some things to pack. We got some things over there to do, and we bought a lot of tie-down straps for different things in the truck that we're probably going to have to tie down and make sure they're strapped nice and tight for our journey to our next destination. We've got a couple more things in this room that are pretty much done. Deep freezer's empty and boxes are boxed up and taped. And it's almost lunchtime. Me and Aaron are hungry, so we are gonna take a little break from packing and go grab something to eat. left. We did pick the camera back up after that. So it is now Monday, and today is, Aaron?
Truck day!
It's not cruise day.
No cruise.
We would much rather go on a cruise, but today is truck day, so our truck is showing up. We've already called to verify, so it'll be here sometime this afternoon, and we're gonna run over to Home Depot or Lowe's, pick up some gloves and some other items, and maybe a new dolly, and get this truck loaded. Okay, so we made it to Home Depot. Let's go inside and see what they have left in moving and packing supplies. A lot of places here in town, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, they've been running out of boxes, bubble wrap, tape, because so many people are leaving California. So they're not as low on some of the boxes as I thought they would be. We are gonna pick up a dolly, because I feel the need that we need a new dolly, and we're gonna go pick up some gloves. So this particular dolly is about $98 at Home Depot, but like I said, we need it, so we're gonna purchase it, and it'll help us load our truck. So it's loading day. Our truck showed up last night about 7:30. The driver went over a few things with us, and we're gonna get this truck loaded so they can pick it up and get it to our next destination. The joys of moving. So we are making a little progress. Mom, say hi, YouTube.
Hey! Hi!
Are you ready for the move?
I think so. Getting tired, but it's all good.
Okay guys, so the house is looking a little empty. And we've had some wonderful neighbors and friends helping us. Say hi, YouTube. So the house has more of an echo now. We still have a few more things to move. We have one room that's empty. All the closets are empty. Let's see, double check everything. Empty. This room is completely empty. A little bit more stuff in that room. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
And the hallway's empty. The appliances are gonna stay. And stuff that we are getting rid of and giving to some of our friends, Aaron's co-workers. Our garage is empty. And we're ready to get out of California. So the one thing we won't have in Tennessee that we have here in California is our privacy walls that surround our home. Check it out. As you see, there's the mountains. We have a gate and walls, which is good if you have a pool for privacy and for safety and security. So they do have their benefits. So our car carrier has arrived to transport our vehicles to Tennessee safely for us, so we don't have to do that long drive and we can take a flight and fly in comfort.
Alrighty guys, so our truck has showed up. Safe travels, see you in Tennessee.
Texas or Utah or Idaho or, you know.
And why do you think all these people are leaving?
Well, you want my honest, unbiased opinion?
Yep, I want your honest, unbiased opinion.
Well, all the taxes, get taxed for everything. It's very, very expensive to live here. The terrible traffic times 10.
Exactly.
It's just terrible.
Property tax, sales tax.
Property, you get taxed for everything.
Yeah.
Tax for everything.
And you have to have permits for everything.
You gotta have permits, taxes. They want money for everything. So it's the most expensive state to live in. Good luck on your move. Good luck, and guys, hope everything works out for you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Take care, drive
All right,
safely.
guys. You guys take care. Be careful.
All right, guys. So our truck is leaving. We will
Getting
see
ready to
it.
go.
We'll see it in Tennessee. We found out by the driver they're gonna throw our truck on a train,
Yeah, possibly on the train.
and then when we get to Tennessee, we'll have a new home.
It'll be about 7 days, maybe sooner.
But
This is exciting, guys.
hey, this is a good time to like, subscribe, and share. Follow us on Instagram at Adventures of David and Aaron.
On
Twitter at Adventures of DNA. And please give this video a big thumbs up.
And remember, enjoy life. God
Right?
knows it's an adventure.
And if you're leaving California, let us know in the comments where you're moving to.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!